Hi children, I am Lakshmi. I am your social teacher. I hope you all are doing good. So, today I am going to start my first online class in the academic year 2021 to 2022. From on now, you guys are moving to grade 4. Today, we talk about social studies. Children, we know in grade 3 we had EVS. What is it? EVS. That means environmental studies. Yes, in short form, EVS. The EVS we call environmental studies. That EVS was split into two subjects. One is a science and another one is a social studies. So children, EVS was split into two subjects. One is a science and another one is a social studies. Yes, today we talk about social studies. So children, what is social studies? It is a subject which helps us to understand the working of social world. That means our surroundings. Yes, we know it is a subject which helps us to understand the working of social world. Is it clear? Yes. Now we know what is social studies. Okay children, today we are going to discuss Incredible India. What is it? Incredible India. Yes, it is our first chapter. So okay children, take your book, the page number 5. This is our first chapter, Incredible India. So children, which is our country? Yes, India. India is our country. So, which is our country? India. What do you mean by the word incredible? What do you mean by the word incredible? So, incredible means extraordinary or unbelievable. What is it? Extraordinary or unbelievable. Yes, we know we are living in India. Our India is one of the unbelievable country. Why we call our India is the unbelievable country? We know compared to other country, our India have different types of landforms, seasons, climates and natural resources are there. So children, very few countries in the world have so many varieties. This is what India beautiful. So compared to other country, our India is one of the different. That means we have a different types of landforms, seasons, climates and natural resources are there. What do you mean by the different landforms? Like high mountains, vast plains, rocky plateaus, dense forest, golden sand beaches and a hot desert sea. Yes, like we have a different types of landforms. Not only that, seasons, summer, winter, rainy, autumn, like different types of climate. So, our India is one of the incredible India. So, children, our India is incredible. So, in our country, we see different types of landforms and natural resources. That's why our country is called Splendor of the Magnificent. What is it? Splendor of the magnificent country. So which country is called the splendor of the magnificent? Yes, our India. Our India is called splendor of the magnificent. That means Arpudamana country. What is it? Arpudam. Magnificent means what? Arpudam. Yes. So children, our India is a incredible India. So where is our India is located in the world map? Where is our India is located in the world map? Yes, Asia. So which is our continent? Yes, Asia. Children, do you know about 300 million years ago? What do you mean? 300 million years ago. So children, 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So, the 300 million years ago, our earth didn't have the 7 continents. Our earth didn't have the 7 continents. But instead, one massive supercontinents are there. One massive supercontinents are there. Like one of the big ball. What is it? One of the big ball without the crack. அதாவது 7 கான்டினென்ட்ஸாக இல்லாமல் எல்லாம் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு ஒரே பெரிய கான்டினெண்டா yes that is we can call a massive supercontinent. So the massive supercontinents split into land masses we recognize today like a 7 continents: Africa, South America, North America, Australia, Antarctica, Asia and Europe. So, the massive supercontinent was split into 7 continents. How is it possible? Yes, we know in everywhere we have a sum of the earth force. So, inside our earth, that means inside our earth, we have one of the force. That force is helps to move the tectonic plates. What is it? Tectonic plates. That means one of the plate. We have to think about one of the layer. Yes, the tectonic plates is moving slightly. That means in a 1 year it will move millimeter. So it will take the million years to move the earth. Yes. So our tectonic plates is moving. That is the main reason the supermassive continents split into 7 continents. Yes, children, it will take the one of the long time. That means that 300 million years take supermassive continent to 7 continents. One big massive continents to the 7 continent is split up with the help of the tectonic plates movement. So what are the 7 continents? Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Asia, South America, North America and Europe. So children, how many continents in the world? 7. How many continents in the world? 7. What are the 7 continents? Africa, Antarctica, Australia, South America, North America, Asia and Europe. So children, we have 7 continents. So children, which is the largest continent in the world? Which is the largest continent in the world? Yes, Asia. So Asia is the largest continent in the world in area wise. What about second largest continent in the world? Europe. Second largest continent in the world is Europe. Yes, Europe is the second largest continent in the world. So children, which is our country? Yes, India. Which is our country? India. Do you know India is seventh largest country in the world? India is seventh largest country in the world. Which is the largest country in the world? Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. So, Russia is the largest country in the world. And second largest country in the world? Canada. Second largest country in the world? Canada. Our India is the seventh largest country in the world. So, which is the seventh largest country in the world? Yes, India. So, children, in each and every object have name to identify the things. Like our country also have a name. What is it? Yes, India. So, our country is India. We know our country is India. Do you know the name India has been derived from the name of the river Indus? The name India has been derived from the name of the river Indus. So, children, from where we get name India? Yes, the river Indus. From where we get name India? The river Indus. Not only name, it also have nickname. What is it? Yes, Bharat or Hindustan. So, what is the another name of India? Bharat or Hindustan. So, our India also known by two another name. One is Bharat and another is a Hindustan. And people of India is known as Indians. People of India is known as Indians. And children, our India have a different languages are there. There are 22 official languages are there. Out of 22, Hindi is the most commonly spoken language. At the same time, spoken by half of Indians. So children, how many official languages are there in India? 22. 22. Out of 22, Hindi is the spoken by half of Indians. So, our national language or mother tongue of the country is Hindi. So, our national language or mother tongue of the country is Hindi. So, which is the mother tongue of our country? Yes, Hindi. Children, now we discuss about complete part of India. It will cover location and size, neighboring countries, political divisions and physiographic divisions. So, in this chapter, we need to discuss location and size, neighboring countries, political divisions and physiographic divisions. Let's see location and size. Do you know where is our country located in the world? Where is our country located in the world? Yes, Asia. So, our country is located in Asia continent. So, which is our continent? Yes, Asia. On what continent is India on? Yes, Asia. And India is located in the southern part of Asia. So, where is located? It is located in southern part of Asia. And children, do you know it stretches for about 3,200 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. So, what is the distance? What is the distance between north to south India? North to south India. That means 3,200 kilometers. It will start Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. At the same time, the distance between east to west India, the distance between east to west India is 3000 kilometers. What is it? 3000 kilometers. The state starts from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. So Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the distance is a 3000 kilometer. So children, in India, north to east is a 3200 kilometer. East to west is a 3000 kilometer. So what is the state? North, Jammu and Kashmir. South is a Kanyakumari, that means the Tamil Nadu. Yes. So the distance between Jammu and Kashmir to Tamil Nadu is a 3200 kilometer. And east to west, the state starts from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, the distance is a 3000 kilometer. And do you know, the southern part of India is called Peninsula. The southern part of India is called Peninsula. So what do you mean by the word peninsula? A piece of land surrounded by water. A piece of land surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. A piece of land surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. So which is our southern part of India? Yes, our Tamil Nadu. Our Tamil Nadu is also located in a southern part. How do you identify the direction on a map? How do you identify the direction on a map? Wait, we know four common directions. What are the four common directions? East, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. On a map, the always your top is a north, bottom is a south. Top is a north, bottom is a south. Your right side, your right hand side is a east. Your left hand west. Top is a north, bottom is a south. Top, bottom, north, south. Your right east, your left side west. Yes. So where is our Tamil Nadu? Yes, our Tamil Nadu is in southern part of India. So our southern part we call a peninsula. So our southern part of India is also known as a peninsula. We know what is a peninsula. Yes, the piece of land surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Look at a map. What is your east? That means India's east is a Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. The west, Arabian Sea. West is a Arabian Sea. And south is the Indian Ocean. South is Indian Ocean. So our southern part of India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. So our southern part of India is surrounded by the water bodies. So it is called a peninsula. Like the north. Our North India is surrounded by the land. Yes, our North India is surrounded by a land. So our India is surrounded by three side water and one side of land. Let's talk about neighboring countries. Children, what do you mean by the word neighbors? Yes, people who live near our house we can call our neighbors. People who live near our house we can call our neighbors. Like that, country which share their boundaries with another one we can call our neighboring countries. So, which countries share their boundaries with another we can call a neighboring countries. What do you mean by the word boundaries? Yes, a line which marks the limits of an area or dividing line. That means we have to divide at the peoples, otherwise the share. Yes, the like that, a line which marks the limits of an area. So we know very well neighboring countries means the country which share their boundaries, that is we can call our neighboring countries. So we know each and every place they have some of the neighboring countries like that. Our India also have our neighboring countries. So India also shares its boundaries with some other countries, that is we can call our neighboring countries. Our neighboring countries are Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. So, these are the neighboring countries share their boundaries on the land. Yes, if you are starting the direction of the neighboring countries means Pakistan, Afghanistan is a northwest. So, Pakistan and Afghanistan located northwest of India. So, where is Pakistan and Afghanistan is located? Northwest direction. Yes, like that China, Nepal are located on a north side. So, north side China and Nepal is located. Like that northeast direction we can find the Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh countries. So, northeast we can find Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. These are neighboring countries are share their land boundaries. Yes, they are located on a land side. So, that is we can call our neighboring countries. Like that, in a southern part is covered by water. Yes, so some islands are our neighboring countries also. There are Maldives, Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Thailand. Maldives, Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Thailand. These are our neighboring countries on south side. Yes, Maldives to the southwest, Sri Lanka in south, Indonesia and Thailand is the southeast. These are our neighboring countries. These neighboring countries share the water boundaries. Yes, children, now is it clear? What is our neighboring countries? Yes, the country which share their boundaries with another one we can call our neighboring countries. Children, take your book, the page number 9. Yes, now we will discuss book exercise. Children, page number 9. A. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. India is the largest country in the world area wise and the second largest in dash. One more time. India is the largest country in the world area wise and the second largest in dash. The answer is, we know very well, India is the 7th largest country. So first 7th. Next, it is the second largest in population. Second largest in a population. So which is the first one? Yes, India is the second largest populated country in the world after China. So our India is the second largest populated country in the world after China. So which is the first one? Yes, China. So the answer is seventh largest country and second largest in population. Second one. The southern part of India is a dash. The southern part of India is a dash. The answer is Peninsula. The answer is Peninsula. Children, we know which is covered the southern India. Yes, which is cover southern India water bodies. So we know very well the land which is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. So the southern India we are calling a peninsula. Third one. India is politically divided into dash states and dash union territories. India is politically divided into dash states and dash union territories. The answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. The answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. Fourth one. India is located in the southern part of the continent of dash. India is located in the southern part of the continent of dash. The answer is Asia. The answer is Asia. So, India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. So, which is our continent? Asia. Fifth one. India shares its borders on the northwest with dash and dash. India shares its borders on the northwest with and dash. So children, here they are asking northwest side the neighboring countries. So which is our neighboring countries located on the northwest? Yes, Pakistan and Afghanistan. The answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Sixth one. Dash is the largest state while Dash is the smallest state of India. Dash is the largest state while Dash is the smallest state of India. The answer is Rajasthan is the largest state while Goa is the smallest state of India. Okay children, revise the fill-ups. Please be careful and check your answer. Question number 1. India is the dash largest country in the world area wise and the second largest in dash. The answer is seventh largest country in the world area wise and the second largest in population. So the answer is 7 population. Second one. The southern part of India is a dash. The southern part of India is a dash. The answer is peninsula. The answer is peninsula. Third one. India is politically divided into dash states and dash union territories. The answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. So the answer is 28, 8. Fourth one. India is located in the southern part of the continent of dash. India is located in the southern part of the continent of dash. The answer is Asia. So the answer is Asia. Fifth one. India shares its borders on the northwest with dash and dash? The answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. The answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Sixth one. Dash is the largest state, while Dash is the smallest state of India. Dash is the largest state, while Dash is the smallest state of India. The answer is Rajasthan, Goa. Rajasthan and Goa. Children, next B. State whether the given statements are true or false. State whether the given statements are true or false. Children, we know here we have to read a sentence. This sentence is a correct means we have to write a true. The sentence is have a mistake, we have to write a false. Okay, the first one. Asia is the smallest of the 7 continents. Asia is the smallest of the 7 continents. The answer is false. The answer is false because we know the Asia is the largest continent in the world. So here the sentence is the smallest of the 7 continents is a false. Second one. There are 29 states in India. There are 29 states in India. The answer is false. The answer is false because in our India is divided at 28 states. In our India divided 28 states. So the answer is false. Third one. India is surrounded by the sea in the north. The India is surrounded by the sea in the north. The answer is false. The answer is false because children, which is our north side? Yes, the top we can call a north. So we know very well the north is covered by the land, the southern part only is covered by the water bodies. So here the mention is the north side is covered the water body. So what is this? The sentence is wrong. So the answer false. Fourth one. Landform is physical appearance of the earth's surface. Landform is the physical appearance of the earth's surface. The answer is true. The answer is true. Fifth one. Mumbai is the capital of India. Mumbai is the capital of India. The answer is false. The answer is false because Delhi is the capital of India. So which is our capital? Delhi. Yes, which is our capital? New Delhi. So the answer is false. The answer is false. B. State whether the given statements are true or false. Question number 1. Asia is the smallest of the 7 continents. Asia is the smallest of the 7 continents. The answer is false. The answer is false. Second one. There are 29 states in India. The answer is false. Third one. India is surrounded by the sea in the north. The answer is false. Fourth one. Landform is the physical appearance of the earth's surface. The answer is true. Fifth one. Mumbai is the capital of India. Mumbai is the capital of India. The answer is false. The answer is false. Children, let's move to classwork. Children, the question answer I will send through the PDF file. Now we have to discuss the question answer. Remember children, write your classwork neatly without spelling mistake. Don't forget fill index page. The index page is important. Yes, I know this is your first classwork. You are using pen. So please be careful when you are writing. So the black we are using always the heading and question. Blue we are using for answer. And leave one line and write it. Okay. Chapter 1 Incredible India. Question number 1. Where is India located? Where is India located? What is the length and breadth of India? Children, one more time. Where is India located? What is the length and breadth of India? The answer is India is located in the southern part of Asia. India is located in the southern part of Asia. The length of India is 3200 km. The breadth of India is 3000 km. So children, India is located in the southern part of Asia. The length of India is 3200 km. The breadth of India is 3000 km. Second question. Name the neighboring countries of India. Name the neighboring countries of India. We know the neighboring countries. Yes, which is share our boundaries, we can call our neighboring countries. Here, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Third question. Write the major divisions of the landforms based on the physical features in India. Write the major divisions of the landforms based on the physical features in India. The answer is the major divisions of the landforms based on the physical features in India are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains and the island. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plain and the island. These are our India's physical features. Fourth one. How many states and union territories does India have? How many states and union territories does India have? The answer is there are a total of 28 states. There are total of 28 states and 8 union territories in India at present. There are a total of 28 states and 8 union territories in India at present. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India at present. Fifth one. Why is India called Peninsula? Why is India called Peninsula? The answer is India is called as Indian Peninsula because it is surrounded by the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east. The Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east.